So, what if there was a doorway and you could walk through this doorway? And once you walk through the doorway, your life was now filled with everything you desire: abundance, prosperity, health, happiness, your specific person, everything and anything you could think of. It's possible. It's called reality shifting. And you're going to do it in 3 minutes or less. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today, well, it's a very windy, stormy day. You can probably hear the wind chimes in the background, but we're here because, well, you desire to improve your life, to live your highest version. How about this? Your subconscious mind. Have you ever wondered what it would be like if your subconscious mind worked with you rather than against you? Well, we have a 7-day free trial at miraclehypnosisonline.com. Simply go to the website, sign up. You got 7 days to try it out. I know you'll love all the programs there. I've created them all for you, and they're not found anywhere else. miraclehypnosisonline.com. So, high flyers, in this video, you're about to learn how to shift your reality to a new reality, a new timeline where you're living your perfect life. You can do this in about 2 to 4 minutes. And the great thing about this is it's easy to do. Now, the ancients practiced a technique called soul travel or astral projection. In this method, you would literally come out of your body, your consciousness, or what they would call your seat of consciousness, would come out of your physical body, your 3D body, and into what they referred to as the astral realm or the mental realm. There's been a lot of terms for it over the years. In that place, you would create a new intention and you would create a new outcome. You would literally see a new life for yourself. Maybe that new car you want, or that new job, or that new home, or that specific person. And then you would come back into your physical body. And when you came back inside your physical body, when you return, there it would be: the new car, the new home, the specific person, the success in your career, whatever it is you desire. Now, look at this is a very, very powerful technique, but it's very difficult and can take some time and practice to learn. The technique I'm going to share with you today is much, much easier. I want you to learn this technique today because you can start using it today. I've been teaching astral projection and soul travel through the Esoteric Order of the Golden Dawn for 40 years. And I can tell you this: while it may seem easy, it does take practice and effort. This method doesn't require practice and effort. Now, I'll be covering more on astral travel, on soul travel, on time shifting in upcoming videos on this channel. Quantum physics teaches us that we can simultaneously exist in many places under certain conditions. Amit Ray. Now, I know it's tough to get your mind wrapped around this, but think about it. You're not living a life that has a beginning, middle, and end. But that's not really how it works, at least not according to quantum physics and many theories. And the theory is that we are literally shifting realities, shifting timelines every second with every new thought, with every new idea, with every new picture in our mind. We're shifting to an alternate timeline. Now, from the inside, looking out, it appears as if we're on one continuous timeline, but we're really not. We're literally attracting fractional changes. I mean, these timelines are very, very fractional. in the difference between the timeline that you're on. And these changes take place every second. Now, this is just one of the theories that comes out of the understanding of the multiverse, that there's really several dimensions, maybe an infinite number of realities stacked on top of each other, or better yet, living together simultaneously. So, how do you end up on your current reality? Your current 3D reality that you are living right now is the reality that you are most in vibrational alignment with. I need to repeat that. The reality that you're living right now is the reality that you are in vibrational alignment with. That's critical to understand that, because it means that if I want to live a different reality, I have to shift my vibrational alignment. I have to shift my frequency. Look at, you can strike a piano key, bing, and if there's a chandelier in the room, one or two of the crystals will start vibrating. Why? Because they're on the same frequency. If your frequency is not producing the life that you desire and want to live, then you need to hit a different piano key. So just remember, high flyers, reality shifting isn't something you're going to do. It's something you already do. It's who and what you are. You are a vibrational being. And the sooner you come to grips with that and understand that, the sooner you'll be able to use it to your advantage. Now, high flyers, this is absolutely amazing. It's just breathtaking to me, because it says I, or you, all of us, have the ability to shift realities to have the money we desire, love, specific person, health, happiness. So how do we do this? By shifting our focus. You see, the ancients understood that we live in a multi-dimensional timeline. So how do we shift, and how do we do it in 2 to 4 minutes? That's what we really want to know. So let's get into it. Number one, you need to have a clear and concise intention or desire. Most people really don't know what they want. They think they know, but they don't really know. It's important for you to sit down and meditate and just say, look, this is what I really want to bring into my life right now. Write it out in a concise sentence. Write it this way and be very specific. I am living in a reality where money comes to me easily. I am living in a reality where I am in a relationship with my specific person. I am in a reality where I am successful in my career. I am in a reality where fill in the blank. So step 3, high flyers, is simply to say this sentence throughout the day. Simply say it. I am living in a reality where money is too damn easy to make. Whatever it is you desire. Just say this sentence over and over again to yourself throughout the day. Step number 4, when you get ready to fall asleep, when you get in bed, the last thing you do is say the sentence again before you fall asleep. And then visualize that you're being drawn into this timeline. See it in your mind. What does it look like? What does it feel like? How do you feel? Do you feel excited? Do you feel happy? Do you feel content? Do you feel healthy? Do you feel peaceful? Focus on the feeling. Visualize the new reality. Step 5, wake up the next morning in a brand new timeline. Now, here's the key, high flyers. Your challenge is to stay in alignment with this new timeline all day long, every day. This is your new timeline. This is the new reality that you're living. And as you stay in alignment with it, guess what? It becomes yours. It literally becomes yours. You shift to it or it shifts to you. We really don't know what the process is, but somehow you've got the new car. You don't know how you got it. You got it. Somehow you're in a new home. Everything fell into place. That's what we did here. I mean, unbelievable. We'll do a whole video on how we moved into this house. You know, it can be anything, your specific person. All of a sudden, the person that was ghosting you is talking to you. It's incredible. You have to shift yourself into this new timeline by shifting your locus of focus. Okay? It's that easy, high flyers. I promise. So do it, and do it now. I want you to watch this next video, manifest in 24 hours or less using inner dialogue. If you love the idea of shifting your timeline, you're going to absolutely love the idea of using inner dialogue. Here it is.